Jackie, and thank you so much for watching. And today's video is going to be a matcha inspired makeup look. I've had this look in mind for like months and months and months, and I'm finally doing it. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's just get on into the matcha latte makeup. So for my base makeup, I think I'm just going to kind of speed this up, throw some music over it, and I'll put a caption of all the products that I'm using. All done, and my bronzer and everything like that. My eyes are primed and ready to go. I have my matcha latte giving me inspiration. The palette I'm going to use for this matcha inspired makeup look is the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. This is one of my favorite palettes, one of my favorite brands, one of my favorite like eyeshadow formulas. I love the packaging of this palette. It's like spilled coffee, which I think is so cute and creative, and this is what the palette looks like, and this is the shade Matcha, and this is what we're going to be using. So this look we're gonna do is actually so easy because I'm literally only using this Matcha shade and maybe one other for to help blending. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up Matcha on a fluffy brush and start working this into my crease and the outer corner kind of creating like a V shape on the outer corner, like a wing. And I'm just really packing this into the crease, and I'm just going to keep building that up until I get it where I want it to be. So now I'm going to take a flat brush, but it has like, it's pretty fluffy, so it's good for like really packing, and pick up more of that matcha shade and just start packing this all on the lid. And because this brush is so fluffy, it helps with like kind of blending this up into the crease too and adding more pigment up there. This brush I'm using, by the way, is the Lavish eye shader brush. I got it in a BoxyCharm a few months back. With that same brush I used to blend matcha with in my crease, I'm going to just kind of tap off as much product as I can, and then just dip into this Cafe con Leche shade and just lightly blend this in my crease, or like right above that matcha shade, just to kind of help it blend out. The lower lash line, I'm just taking a pencil brush. This is the Morphe M574. Again, picking up more matcha and just buffing this on the lower lash line. This isn't like the best a brush to use on the lower lash line, to be honest, but all my brushes are dirty right now, and I didn't want to mix any colors with this matcha shade. Looks like a mermaid. I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Moonstone, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. And I'm actually going to take a different shader brush. This is the Luxie 246, and just pick it up like right off the applicator. This way I kind of have like more control. This does have like kind of like a pink tone to it, which I wasn't really looking for. I don't hate it though. It does add like a little something something. I thought it was going to be a little bit more like translucent, but that's okay. I kind of like it. Now going back into the Latte 2 palette, I'm going to pick up the shade Frothy right here and use this to just kind of highlight my brow bone. And I'm going to actually spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus and then pick up the shade Frappe and use that to highlight my inner corner. That shade is kind of like more of like a glitter type consistency, like a pressed glitter. So it does work best, I found, applying with Fix Plus or a glitter glue. And the shade does have like kind of a pinky undertone to it, so it will match that glitter that we put all over the lids. For blush, I'm going to use the Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Love. It is kind of like a nudie mauve shade, so I felt like it would be complimentary of the green eyes. For highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit and use the shade Lucky Clover. Before I highlight my Cupid's bow, I'm just going to put a lip on. So my lip liner, I'm using the KKW lip liner in the shade Nude Zero. Using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth. I don't think this is available anymore, which I'm really sad about because this is like one of my favorite nudes ever. And for some gloss, I'm going to use this Dose of Colors gloss in the shade Brillo. As I was cleaning up my stuff, I realized that I completely forgot to put mascara on in the video. So I had it out on the desk and everything, and I just totally forgot. So my bad. Anyways, just want to add in that disclaimer of the video. And that completes this matcha latte inspired makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed my last video on Instagram. Just showing you how I make a matcha latte. If you haven't seen it, follow me on Instagram and be sure to check it out, give it a like, save, all that stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.